Well guys, just here in Port Macquarie, look at these beautiful rocks that are painted. Look at all along here, along the foreshore here. This is lovely. Each rock has been painted. That one. Absolutely amazing. Every single rock along here has been painted. Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful. And again, this is only in Port Macquarie. This is so pretty. This is Port Macquarie. We're just here. Spent the night. But came across this, I came across all these rocks right along the shore here, all being painted, beautiful. Can't seem to take, so it all stretches all the way down there. So, and even people fishing along here as well. This is a pretty one, isn't it? Each rock has been painted by some family member in remembrance of. And look at that one, pretty. This is lovely. So, look at that. That's pretty. It's all along here. Everybody, it's artistic. Everyone here has just picked a rock and painted their family. Naming themselves, naming where they're from, or just putting and dedicating it to their loved ones who have passed on. So yeah, beautiful piece of art, and it goes all the way down there. So I don't think I can make it all the way down there, but I just wanted to show a little bit of this beautiful place. And all along here is motor camps. This is a motor camp here in the city of Port Macquarie. It's on the edge of the city here, and it's beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. People just walking along up there. There's so many. Look at this pretty one. So this is Port Macquarie. I'm on our way now. I better go and see my sister. She's buying a coffee. Wow, look at that big one. Massive. Beautiful, people fishing. Oh, look at this one. Artistic. Lovely. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Port Macquarie. We're leaving this morning, heading to Sydney.